Hey everyone, let's dive in. Is the 2026 AI supercycle a massive job killer or our ultimate economic savior?
Investors are completely panicking over mass unemployment right now. But hold on, the actual data tells a different story.
AI capabilities are just exploding. Anthropic's Claude Code literally generated $6 billion in annualized revenue recently.
Their CEO even warned AI could wipe out 25 million jobs. Honestly, that sounds completely catastrophic, right?
But here is the reality check. AI accounted for a tiny 0.25% of 2025 layoffs.
So the crucial takeaway, AI is a massive structural productivity enhancer, not some wholesale job replacer.
Just look at the physical scale of this. Data center construction has practically quadrupled in non-residential building. This intense build-out demands relentless physical investment, literally creating a powerful new economic engine from the ground up.
And the financial impact? Wow, companies fully adopting AI are seeing average margins hit an incredible 17%.
Okay, so what does this huge productivity shift actually mean for those mega-cap tech valuations we all watch? Tech giants are pouring cash in, bumping 2026 capital expenditure expectations by a massive $130 billion. Check out this striking plunge in free cash flow yield, dropping toward 4% amidst all that spending.
Yet despite that heavy spending, S&P 500 profit margins actually hit a record 13.3%.
These mega-cap leaders are totally redefining fundamentals, completely shattering the standard Rule of 40 benchmark for tech investing.
Like Nvidia operates at a staggering Rule of 140, off the charts. Yet they recently traded at a discount.
Look, history proves major tech supercycles eventually create way more wealth and economic output than they ever destroy.
AI investments directly added 25 basis points to U.S. GDP growth early last year. This expansion is absolutely real.
So your S&P 500 strategy? Own data centers, explore private markets, and strictly avoid vulnerable legacy software stocks.
This physical AI infrastructure build-out is a massive global theme, driving record technology exports across Asia right now.
The super cycle is here, guys. Is your portfolio positioned to ride the greatest productivity boom of our generation?